Let's elaborate further on each of the tips for getting more views on your YouTube channel. Quality content. Creating high-quality content should be your top priority. Focus on providing value to your target audience by producing videos that are informative, entertaining, or solve a problem. Invest time in planning your content, scripting your videos, and editing them to make them engaging and well executed. High-quality videos are more likely to attract and retain viewers, encouraging them to watch more of your content and subscribe to your channel. Keyword optimization. Keyword optimization is essential for improving the visibility of your videos in search results. Conduct keyword research to identify popular and relevant keywords in your niche. Incorporate these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and captions. This will help search engines understand the content of your videos and improve their chances of appearing in relevant searches, thereby increasing your video's reach. Compelling thumbnails. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers' attention and encouraging them to click on your videos. Create visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your videos. Use eye-catching imagery, clear text, and contrasting colors to make your thumbnails stand out in search results and recommended videos. Catchy titles. Craft compelling titles that capture viewers' attention. Keep your titles concise, descriptive, and keyword-rich. A well-crafted title can make your video more clickable and increase its chances of appearing in search results. It's important to strike a balance between making your title enticing and accurately representing the content of your video. Consistent uploading schedule. Establishing a consistent schedule for uploading new content is crucial. Regularly posting videos helps build an audience and encourages viewers to subscribe to your channel. It also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can improve your video's visibility in search results and recommendations. Choose a schedule that is sustainable for you and communicate it to your audience so they know when to expect new content. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential for fostering viewer loyalty and attracting more viewers. Respond to comments on your videos and engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Show genuine interest in your viewers' feedback and use it to improve your content. Engaging with your audience not only helps build a loyal fan base but also increases the likelihood of viewers sharing your content with others. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can expose your channel to a wider audience. Consider featuring other creators in your videos or collaborating on joint projects. This cross-promotion benefits both parties, as it introduces your channel to new viewers who may be interested in your content. Collaborations can also bring fresh perspectives and ideas to your channel, making your content more diverse and engaging. Cross-promotion. Promote your YouTube channel on other social media platforms to expand your reach. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes content, or highlights from your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Use these platforms to engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage them to check out your YouTube channel. Building a presence on multiple platforms can help drive traffic to your channel and increase your overall visibility. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your video descriptions, tags, and captions with relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings. Include keywords that accurately describe the content of your videos and match what viewers are searching for. Additionally, provide detailed and engaging video descriptions that give viewers a clear idea of what to expect from your video. Be sure to add timestamps to your video descriptions, which can help viewers navigate to specific sections of your video and improve user experience. Promotion and advertising. Consider running targeted ads on YouTube or other platforms to promote your videos and channel. Paid advertising can help you reach a larger audience and gain exposure, particularly when starting out. You can create ads to target specific demographics or interests, ensuring your content is shown to relevant viewers who may be interested in your content. Be strategic with your advertising budget and track the performance of your ads to optimize their effectiveness. Remember that success on YouTube takes time and effort. Stay consistent with your content creation, pay attention to viewer feedback, and continuously improve your skills as a creator. By implementing these strategies and staying dedicated to producing quality content, you can increase your chances of gaining more views and growing your YouTube channel.